Welcome back to another video from your friends at Altitude University. In today's video, we're diving into the exciting world of real estate videography and exploring the essential drone shots that every pilot looking to crush the real estate market should master. Before we jump into the specific shots, don't forget to hit the subscribe and like buttons so we can continue to provide content like this for you in the future. Let's quickly touch on the importance of drones in real estate videography. Drones have revolutionized how we showcase properties, providing unique perspectives and breathtaking aerial views that traditional cameras simply can't capture. With a drone, you can create dynamic, engaging footage that grabs the attention of potential buyers and leaves a lasting impression. Now, let's explore the shots you need to master to take your real estate videos to the next level. The first shot we are going to cover is ideal for the start of each real estate video you produce, the approach. The approach shot is a fantastic way to start real estate videos. Begin with the drone at a distance, centered on the property, and gradually fly closer and closer until the subject property fills the frame. This shot builds anticipation and instantly draws viewers into the property's unique features. Our next shot is the orbit shot. The orbit shot adds a touch of elegance to your real estate videos. With the subject property as the center of a large circle, the drone smoothly spins around it, showcasing the property from all angles. This shot creates a sense of grandeur and allows potential buyers to appreciate the property's entire layout. The down and up shot. The down and up shot is perfect for highlighting the property's surroundings and its vertical scale. Start with the drone positioned just above the property, looking straight down at 90 degrees. Gradually increase the altitude while keeping the subject property in the center of the frame until you reach the maximum allowable height of 400 feet above ground level. This shot offers a unique perspective and emphasizes the property's context within its surroundings. Reveals. Reveals are a captivating way to introduce a property into your videos. Start with the drone's camera facing downward at a 90-degree angle, capturing the property from a distance. As the drone moves closer, smoothly pan the camera up to gradually reveal the property in all its glory. This shot builds excitement and showcases the property's features in a visually appealing manner. Next up are truck shots. Truck shots add a dynamic element to your real estate videos. Fly the drone level from left to right or right to left, keeping the camera pointed forward. As the drone glides past the subject property, it remains in frame, providing a smooth, cinematic experience. This shot allows viewers to appreciate the property's exterior and surroundings from a moving perspective. The pull-away shot. Lastly, the pull-away shot is an excellent way to conclude your real estate videos. Start with the subject property taking up most of the frame and gradually ascending while flying backwards, creating distance between the drone and the property. This shot provides a sense of closure and leaves viewers with a lasting impression. And there you have it, the essential drone shots for real estate videography. Remember, practice makes perfect, so take your time to master each shot and unleash your creativity to showcase properties like never before. We hope you found this video helpful and inspiring. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell to stay updated on our latest content. From all of us at Altitude University, stay safe out there and happy flying.